What are you eating?
No.
What is it?
No.
An orange? Do you always dance when you eat oranges? Mama's plate. More orange? Can you do your dance? That's really good. Whoa, be careful. Boom. How do you spell your name? M? A, good. M? A? Two, X. I know, it's hard to say. X. Can you count? The oranges are all gone. You've already had like 5 oranges today. Can you count? 1. What's after 1? Barely count. What's after 1? Where'd you go? You're so busy.